Trucks are more than just machines. They're rugged, reliable workhorses, designed for tough jobs, long adventures, and everything in between. But what if you could elevate your truck to be a smarter, more efficient, and more secure powerhouse? Imagine having advanced GPS systems that don't just guide but optimize routes, saving time and fuel. Think about dash cams that capture every detail, protecting you from false claims, or backup cameras that make parking a breeze. Whether you're a long-haul driver, a business owner managing a fleet, or a truck enthusiast who loves the open road, staying updated on the latest truck technology isn't just smart, it's important. These innovations aren't just gadgets. They're game changers, keeping you safer, saving you money, and maximizing performance. So buckle up and get ready to explore the cutting-edge technology that every truck owner needs to know. Also, did you know that you can get a whole lot from this channel by just clicking on the subscribe button and liking this video? Click the subscribe button now and become a part of our trucking family and get timely updates. When it comes to cutting-edge truck technology, you can't miss this. Scania's OptiCruise stands out as a game-changer in the world of heavy-duty trucking. Imagine it, you're navigating harsh, unpredictable off-road terrain with a heavy load. Most trucks would struggle, but your Scania OptiCruise system doesn't just handle it, it conquers it. Born in Sweden, this gearbox is more than just a collection of gears. It's a symphony of engineering brilliance. Now, why is it a game changer? Well, with a 14-gear ratio that includes a super crawler gear and up to 8 additional reverse gears, you have control and precision that makes tricky terrains feel like a breeze. And it's not just about power. Paired with the Scania Super Powertrain, and you're looking at 8% fuel savings off-road. Imagine those cost savings on the long hauls. Engineered with wider planetary gears and weighing about 5 kilograms more than the standard version, the G25, G33, and G38 OptiCruise models are made to handle high payloads without breaking a sweat. Faster, smoother gear shifting, and improved braking. This isn't just a gearbox. This is a competitive edge. So, if you want a truck that turns impossible terrain into playgrounds and saves fuel while doing it, the Scania OptiCruise is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Now, if you think you've seen all there is to see about heavy-duty trucking, think again. Because Blackview Truck Dashcam is about to shift your perception. The game-changing road companion from Petersoft, a pioneer in dashcam technology based in the Republic of Korea since 2007. Designed to keep a watchful eye on your truck 24/7, the Blackview Truck Dashcam boasts full HD recording with wide-angle lenses, ensuring every detail of the road is captured, whether you're parked or in motion. Its infrared night vision doesn't just see in the dark, it sees clearly, making it a top choice for long-haul drivers. And it doesn't stop there. The dashcam uses dual-channel recording, monitoring both the front and rear of your truck simultaneously, in case of any impact or collision. And you'll get instant push notifications directly to your Apple or Android phone. And if you're miles away, the remote live view feature gives you real-time access to your truck's surroundings. No guesswork, just a secure, reliable feed. And another interesting feature of this beast is cloud connectivity that allows you to back up crucial video files remotely, protecting your evidence even if the dashcam itself is damaged. Plus, with the built-in GPS, you can track your truck's location and speed, adding another layer of security. Now imagine loading a dock where safety isn't just a priority, it's a promise. That's the Blue Giant StrongArm HVE 303. It's a masterclass in security and efficiency straight from the innovative labs of Blue Giant Equipment Corporation. This isn't your average vehicle restraint. It's a 32,000-pound powerhouse with an electromechanical hook designed that grips trailers like a steel handshake. Do you have a trailer with a bent or damaged ICC bar? No problem. The StrongArm HVE 303 adjusts with an impressive distant compensation float of 16 inches, making trailer shifts and air ride suspensions a breeze. But here's the kicker, it's not just about brute strength. The HVE 303 is a green giant, ditching oil-powered hydraulics for an eco-friendly approach. Pairing this with Blue Giant's air-powered dock levelers, and you've got a sustainable government incentive-eligible dock solution that projects a commitment to the environment. And safety is king with the Blue Genius Gold Series 2 touch control panel, which is a smart system with LED lights, audible alarms, and intuitive touch controls that make it impossible to overlook potential hazards. Compliant with ANSI MH30.3 standards, the StrongArm HVE 303 isn't just a device, it's a guardian of cargo equipment and the people who handle them. Have you ever wondered how KLLM Transport keeps its cargo safer than Fort Knox? Enter the Power Lock system, a patented next-level anti-theft technology that transforms trailers into impenetrable vaults on wheels. Unlike outdated padlocks that can be picked or cut, this remote-controlled deadbolt locks cargo from the inside, hidden from prying eyes and opportunistic thieves. Only KLLM has the power to unlock it, making unauthorized access a distant memory. But here's the thing, the Power Lock isn't just secure, it's stealthy and trackable. Seamlessly integrated into the trailer's door system, it's practically invisible, leaving criminals scratching their heads, and KLLM's monitoring system offers real-time tracking and lock status updates, giving a hawk-eye view over every shipment, and the result, enhanced security and ironclad compliance, and an invisible force field protecting precious cargo. With the Power Lock, KLLM doesn't just deliver freight, they guard it like a king's ransom, ensuring every load arrives untouched, unbroken, and untouchable. Now the list wouldn't be complete without FuelGuard, the silent guardian against fuel theft and costly leaks. Imagine you're running a fleet without worrying about stolen fuel or unexpected losses. That's the peace of mind FuelGuard offers. This isn't just a monitoring system, it's a vigilant defender of your bottom line. With advanced sensors tracking fuel levels in real time, it can instantly detect theft attempts, unauthorized siphoning, and sudden drops, alerting you before losses pile up. And it doesn't end there. FuelGuard also analyzes fuel efficiency, helping fleet managers spot wasteful habits and save money. Its remote monitoring capabilities gives you 24/7 access to fuel data from everywhere, ensuring complete visibility and control. Think of it as having a dedicated tireless protector for your fuel, one that not only guards your investment, but also boosts efficiency, reduces environmental impact, and keeps you compliant. Now, if you've ever dealt with the headache of flat tires, blowouts, or uneven tire wear, then SAF Tire Pilot Plus might just be your new best friend. It's not just a tire pressure management system. This, I would say, is a smart guardian designed to protect your fleet's most critical and costly components, your tires. Imagine cruising down the highway, confident that every tire in your rig is perfectly inflated, evenly pressurized, and ready to perform. That's what SAF Tire Pilot Plus delivers. Unlike standardized systems, this advanced tech doesn't just inflate tires. It keeps pressure balanced across all wheels, and has a high-pressure relief feature to protect against overinflation. And what's more, it doesn't wait for a disaster to strike. If a nail or road debris causes a minor leak, the system automatically compensates. If there's a serious issue, the warning light alerts the driver to seek immediate service. No guesswork, just straight answers. Designed for durability, the SAF Tire Pilot Plus has diamond knurled hose connections that don't need a wrench and have stainless steel air hoses protected between integrated fins, and the capability to retrofit onto existing trailers. It's rugged, reliable, and ready to take on the road. Now, mirrors do serve a purpose, but this DAF digital vision system is here to redefine your driving experience. Created by DAF Trucks, a trailblazer in heavy-duty vehicle innovation, this system is not just a mirror replacement, it's a whole new way of seeing. Imagine a set of eyes that never blink, cameras outside your cab capturing sharp, real-time footage displayed on screens inside. Day or night, rain or shine, these cameras give you a clearer view than mirrors ever could, minimizing blind spots and maximizing safety. The Turn Inside Assist doesn't just watch, it warns you when pedestrians, cyclists, or other vehicles are too close, helping you make safer moves. But it doesn't stop there. The auto pan functions follows your trailer around corners, and the folding camera arms protect your investment in tight spots. Plus, the digital display overlays guide you with precision while reversing, ensuring every maneuver is spot on. Now, if you've ever found yourself trapped in mud, snow, or sand, you know how helpless that can feel. And that's why DAF's rock-free function steps in. Now, this is a game-changing feature from DAF Trucks, a brand that's been shaping the trucking industry since its humble beginnings in 1932. Rock-free isn't just a simple feature, it's a carefully engineered solution designed with precision. It uses a controlled rhythmic rocking motion by gently applying the accelerator, helping your truck regain traction on slippery or uneven surfaces. Unlike traditional methods that rely on aggressive revving or wheel spinning, rock-free is calibrated to minimize stress on the drivetrain, reducing wear and tear while maximizing efficiency. Its intelligent design is seamlessly integrated with DAF's advanced automatic drive-off gear and urge-to-move system, which uses the brake pedal to launch the vehicle smoothly. Together, they create a coordinated approach to keep you in control when you're most vulnerable, stuck, and struggling. It's more than just a rescue feature. Rock-free enhances safety for you and those around you, ensuring smoother, safer operations in tough conditions. Now, if you think you've seen it all in heavy hauling, think again. The Globe 55-ton hydraulic flip axle lowboy trailer is here to rewrite the rules. With a 4th hydraulic flip axle and a 13-horsepower Honda Pony motor, this beast isn't just built to carry loads, it's engineered to dominate them. Boasting a jaw-dropping 110,000 pounds load concentration in just 12 feet, it handles the heaviest, toughest hauls with ease. The hydraulic detached neck with 102 swing clearance makes loading and unloading a breeze, while the option for a future flip neck ensures adaptability for years to come. And don't overlook the aluminum rims, lightweight yet durable. They help balance power with efficiency. And whether you're hauling massive construction equipment or industrial machinery, the Globe 55-ton hydraulic flip axle lowboy trailer is the partner that turns impossible hauls into everyday jobs. Now finally, meet Side-Eye from Stone Ridge Orlaco, the game-changing solution that makes blind spot accidents a thing of the past. Engineered to protect truckers from cyclists, pedestrians, and other vulnerable road users, this advanced camera and radar detection system is like having a second pair of eyes on your truck's passenger side. Using a combination of 24 GHz radar signals and sharp camera visuals, Side-Eye detects movement within just 300 milliseconds, providing instant visual and audible alerts through a strategically placed 7-inch display. Certified as Kraft-Hart Bundesamt KBA turn assist system, it goes beyond standard monitoring, offering customizable overlays, from red marking lines to warning triangles, tailored to your preference. Now, if you think that's all, hell no! Mounted on the passenger side, Side-Eye's rugged design is built to withstand harsh weather, ensuring optimal performance in any condition, whether navigating crowded city streets or unpredictable movements. Side-Eye is your reliable partner in making roads safer.